What are community solar projects?
Community solar projects are shared renewable energy installations, typically made up of solar panels. Instead of being owned by a single homeowner or business, these projects serve multiple participants. People can subscribe or invest in a local solar array, then receive credits or savings on their electricity bills. This approach expands solar access to those unable to install panels on their own properties.
How shared solar power works.
Participants in a community solar project purchase or subscribe to a portion of a larger solar system, often located off-site. The electricity generated flows into the local power grid. Each participant receives a share of the project's energy output, typically in the form of credits deducted from their utility bill. This model makes solar benefits accessible, even for those renting or with unsuitable rooftops.
The benefits of community solar.
Community solar offers several advantages. It allows people without ideal rooftops or those living in apartments to benefit from solar energy. Participants can reduce their carbon footprint, potentially save money on electricity, and support local renewable energy growth. It also helps utilities incorporate more clean energy into the grid, contributing to broader environmental goals.
How to join a community solar project.
Joining a community solar project usually involves subscribing to or buying a share from an existing project in your area. After enrolling, you receive regular updates and billing information. Credits for your share of solar generation appear as reductions on your electric bill. The process is designed to be simple, with no need for installation or maintenance at your own property.
The future of shared solar power.
Interest in community solar continues to grow as more regions offer programs and incentives. Advances in solar technology, supportive policies, and heightened environmental awareness are driving expansion. By making clean energy more accessible, community solar projects play a key role in the transition toward a sustainable energy future for everyone.